Welcome back. Double Stack 1911. Today, it's a real good day. So, what I have for you guys is an unboxing of that Kimber 2K11 Royal, right? So, I'm real excited to share this with you guys. I must admit, though, when I picked it up from my FFL, I already took it out the box and took it into the range and shot it a few times. I'll talk about that, but I am going to go ahead and go through this for a potential unboxing here. You can see I purchased this from JR Shooting Sports, but this is my first Kimber, but I think most Kimbers come in a box like this. So there's that. So let's go ahead and open this up. So go ahead and open it up. Right here, you can see this. Comes in a nice little range bag, right? And here in that box is, we'll just throw this to the side real quick. But what all guns should be. I don't know about that. We still have yet to prove that, but this is something that I've been very excited to get. This is a pretty decent little range bag. All right, so let's see what we got here. When we go in here, in this first pouch is everything that we have. I'll also be very upfront with you. I did already take out the sticker and put it on my safe. Comes with one of these little yellow blocking things, your mandatory lock. I think this is another pin for the magwell. If I remove the magwell, I need to put that in there. Comes with some of the front sight replacement optics, which is really cool, right? So I got a red one. I got two red ones and a green one. If I get to the point where I need to replace that, it will be with the green optics. It also has a little screw in here that is something new that actually holds them in. I think that's really cool from Kimber. There's that. Of course, I got my safety instructions. Make sure that you read through those if you happen to get a Kimber 2K11 or any other pistol for that matter. And it comes with a RMR plate. I didn't open this yet, but what I don't like about the plate is it removes the rear sight. But what you will see from C&H, what you will see though when I get the pistol out is that it doesn't come with suppressor height sights, so that could be a little bit of an issue. So I will go ahead and throw that back in there. Right, zip that back up, and the sticker was in there as well. The next pouch is pretty nice as well. I have quite a few magazine holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and by the way, there was a magazine in here, but I live in a not free state. Right, JB Pritzker hates his residents and wants to take all of their civil rights, including their gun rights. But it was a 19 round mag or something like that, maybe 20. So they took it. They did give me one 10 round Checkmate magazine with the pistol, but that's not the gun shop's fault. That is Illinois. I wish Kimber and others would just start coming with a version that just takes all the mags out. If you gotta worry about state compliant, just ship them without mags, maybe take $150 off of the cost or something like that. I think a lot of us would appreciate that, because sometimes when you're shipping to an FFL in a non-free state where they hate their residents, it is where they just don't like to, some FFLs won't take your shipment. So it's important to understand that. So that is the second pouch. We open up the big pouch here, and in this first pouch there's nothing, so you could have a pistol for there. So basically it's made for two pistols. My pistol did come in this plastic bag. It really wasn't greased up that heavy like a lot of pistols might come, or 2011s might come. It was just regularly greased, I guess. Whatever grease they had, they just didn't want to get out. Just for the YouTube folks, this is unloaded, right? There's nothing in there. It did come with the mag in the pistol, right? Which was a 10 round mag. Obviously, I'm in Illinois. But you can see, beautiful, real beautiful. There's that front sight there I'm talking about. It's not very tall, regular, right? So if you do put an optic on here, this particular bracket you have to take off, and then this goes away. So my understanding is either Dawson Precision or somebody like that does make a plate for this that will have this sight on there, right? So it's black in the rear, red in the front. I wish it would have came with green, you know, for all the people that got stigmatism. Bull barrel, and it comes with a toolless guide rod. I really like that toolless guide rod. It's not like the other guide rods. When you want to loosen it, you'd push in and kind of turn right, and then that would lock it in place, right? Assuming you got everything pulled back. And then when you want to release it, you push in and turn towards you, right? Real great. Great. Everything looks good. The only thing I don't like is like I said, I probably have maybe 200 rounds through it because I went to the range. I don't know if you can see it real good right there, but on the trigger, you can see there's a little bit of paint removed on each side there from me shooting it. I still love this pistol though. I'm not happy with the sight system. It's not enough to make me hate it. Shoots extremely accurate, and I have old eyes, and even with these sights, I can get a lot of bullseyes, right? The other thing I don't like about this pistol, and BTG, Bust Them Guns, he actually talked about this on his video. This is really loose. I'm not going to go in like he did and modify that. I'm going to reach out to Kimber, and I'm going to ask them to send me a trigger and bow that can slip in without all of this rattle. Because what happens is, and that's why I think it's scraped, is when I'm putting my finger on it, it's probably moving back and forth in a way that's kind of unnatural. But it doesn't really impact the function of anything. I had 0 malfunctions in those about 200 rounds. The safety is real good, positive in both directions. I love this grip. This grip is really good for me. I have I don't know if you would say I have larger than normal, or you know, I know it's definitely not smaller, but really nice. I don't even really need this magwell, but I do plan on well, I'm considering going into IDPA. So if you've seen my other video, I was asking you guys to comment on that. I think that I'm going to use this for an IDPA gun. But what I don't like is if I put the optic plate on here now with the optic, and for some reason the battery dies or it loses 0 or something, I can't fall back to the iron sights. So my understanding, I'm going to look and I'm going to see if I can find that other plate that has the full sight in the back, and then you have to replace the front sight as well, so that you can have suppressor height sights, because I really need that for that. Really nice, easy to take down. I've already kind of just taken it down just to kind of see how it is. But hey, you guys, like, subscribe, comment on anything you think you know, you'd like to see me do with it, or if you think this is a bad choice, tell me. I know you guys have heard me talk about the Apollo 11. This one, the grip safety is actually pretty nice. Where like the Apollo 11, you got to be all up on it or it won't shoot. I haven't did a test, but I know that there maybe been a couple times either I didn't have a real tight grip or something like that that still would engage and work. Um, just love it. Just love it. And by the way, I was shooting, I think it was Blazer 9mm 115 grain. Um, it, it shot fine. It's probably not the best. I am about to start switching. I'm not going to not use what I got. I'm going to use what I got. But as I buy more ammo, I'm going to buy the 9mm 124 grain. I don't know if I'm going to go with Remington. I don't know if I'm going to go with the Blazer, because that's what I usually use, is just do the Blazer 9mm 124 grain. But we will see. Love this. I should have had a mag with me here. You could see that this engages properly. I didn't have anything get stuck in there. Um, it's really nice. But what I am going to do is I'm going to reach out to Kimber. I'm going to tell them about this trigger shoe, and I'm going to let you guys know how that customer service is, because I have heard a lot of mixed reviews on the customer service that I think is kind of unfortunate. But we'll see. You know, maybe I won't have that experience. But I also heard that the if you're getting a brand new Kimber 2K11, they're not coming with this trigger rattle anymore. So I heard that has been remedied. Um, but I love it. I mean, this is freaking awesome. And I mean, yeah, it's close to staccato prices. But what I really wanted was something that was using either Checkmate or Prodigy magazines or something like that, as opposed to the Glock. Don't get me wrong, I love my platypus. I got 2 platypi, right? Is that platypi? Love them to death. They take Glock magazines. Also have the Fusion XP Pro. Love it. Those things will eat up, the Glock mags. They'll just empty those things right away. The shooting is awesome. Really love it. But that's that. Hey, tell me what you guys think. Again, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you want to see next. If I can get enough viewers and subscribers and things like that, we will be purchasing whatever guns. Is there some, non-double stack 1911 that you would like me to look at, right? Like, I have a Glock 45. Maybe I'll do an unboxing with that to show you what it came with. It's a Gen 5. I'm thinking about getting the Glock 45 Gen 6, right? Just to kind of keep with it. I'm not a Glock fanboy or nothing, but hey, let me know what you guys think. Have a great day.